We're going to do a little experiment here. I'm in zoom mode and I'm focused on a little color card, little focus card, lens calibration card, and I've got it set. I'm set about 9 foot away, and right now I'll run her up. There's the full 56x zoom. Not bad. It's and I'm not a photographer, a pro, so this you'll have to take it the way you want. I'm running in my shop. Got LED lights for the room lighting. I'm zooming back. If I touch the screen, seems to be a little focus. I think I'll zoom back up to 56x and take a picture first. There we go. Got a picture. Now we're going to back up. We're going to back her up about 16x, touch the screen, kind of focus that way. Take another picture. Go back 7x. Now you can see where the lens goes hybrid, right at 7x. So it's 6.9. Notice I'm kind of off center. There I center. So that's kind of interesting. So there's a picture. I'm going to take a picture here at 5x, 2x, all the way back to 1x. Now I'll go ahead and move the a little closer here. 3 foot away. Two X. Take it to 5x. Adjust my gimbal a little bit. Oh, there it switched. 6.9x right there. If I go over 6.9x, it goes total out of focus, and that's where I have to move back to 9 foot. Interesting. Okay, it's the end of the test.